guys, I'm doing a review of this PC World of Flavors Filipino Adobo. This was on sale. These are their types of chips, and take a look at that. Ingredients are right there, and nutrient panel right there. Let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Let's try it out. It's actually quite good. It's almost like a salt and vinegar with some spices. Yeah, with the garlic taste to it. It's actually quite good. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next video.